anybody who wants to look at it. The question now is, Tamara and her sister bought school supplies. Tamara bought 5 spiral notebooks and 6 book covers for $10.75. Her sister bought 4 spiral notebooks and 5 book covers for $8.75. Find the cost for each spiral notebook and each book cover. So the first thing we want to do is we want to write, let's use letters to represent each item. For spiral notebooks, we're just going to say S, and for book covers, we're going to say B. So she bought 5 spiral notebooks and 6 book covers for $10.75. Her sister bought 4 spiral notebooks and 5 book covers, and the cost for that was $8.75. Again, the same principle holds. If we're using elimination, we look for one letter that we want to eliminate. And we look at the S's. We can eliminate the S's if we multiply this by 4 and we multiply that by 5. That will give us 20S, and then we can go from there, right? So let's go ahead and change both equations here. So we're multiplying this by 4, we're multiplying that by 5. The first one, we have 20S plus 24B is equal to 10.75 times 4. And we'll come back to this in a second. Let's do the second one. Times 5, we have 20S plus 25B is equal to 8.75 times 5. So the first one, what is 10.75 times 4?
43.
43. What is 8.75 times 5?
43.75.
43.75. We subtract the second equation from the first. Our S's are gone, right? And so we have minus B, because this is 24 minus 25. So that's minus B is equal to 43 minus that, minus 0.75. And so B, we go ahead and divide both sides now by -1. So we get B is equal to 0.75. So 75 cents is the cost of the book cover. We don't know where she shops now, so we can't analyze that. But that's a reasonable answer, right? 0.75. We take that and we plug it back into our first equation, and that will give us a value for S. So again, we come here and we put 0.75. So we have 5S plus 6 into 0.75 is equal to 10.75. And you should be able to solve for S at this point. So that's all you need to know for this problem. And that should help you with doing lesson practice G.